Okay, what I'm gonna get my way.
Sorry. It's okay. What you want? Some pastry?
Alright. yeah, so this for you.
Oh.
Yes.
How'd you get out?
Oh my God.
I let you take it easy on him.
You're gonna scare him.
Now, what can make a little boy so happy? Perhaps a new toy? Nope, something far more precious. A joy, a treasure, a soulmate for life.
Hear him? There you go.
Ah, so cute.
Oh. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, well, thank you. I didn't know I was looking for a kitten. Yeah. Let's see what this cat
I've
is.
been hunting for this kitten.
Oh, a little red kitten. Oh, wow. Hello.
Do you like him?
Is that a him?
It's a him.
Wow. Hello.
I neutered
Yes.
him.
Yes, I do. I've been looking.
Guys, we got a present for you.
You did it.
Huh?
Merry Christmas.
This is from all of us. It's something you've always wanted.
Moment that warms every father's heart is when they receive gifts from their children. And things even become more magical when it's a kitten for Christmas night.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have a stroke.
You know what this prize is?
She has always wanted a kitten, so this holiday, his daughter decides to become a genie.
This is Zuka.
Zuka, oh, have you met me? What are we gonna do with you? Oh no.
And I'm gonna get. They got someone. Yes, Oh. Merry Christmas.
Elderly reactions to gifts are always so heartwarming. Congrats, kitten, on finding your perfect mom.
Molly, I totally forgot. You have one more present. Be very careful. Oh my god.
Be careful.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, honey. Don't cry. Oh, baby, don't cry. Are you happy? So cute.
For cat owners, just watching them is a blessing, let alone becoming family with them forever.
You guys gonna come down? Yeah. Here's the prize.
Can we adopt a kitten?
Yeah.
How pure can a child be? Just look at him and you'll understand.
Yeah. Take it.
Do you love it?
Take it. Take it with your hand.
I feel like this is one of the...
Daddy comes out of place and she
String out very much. Thank you so much.
Open your eyes.
Oh my god, no you didn't. No you did not.
If the one you love is a cat lover, then you already know what their perfect Christmas gift should be.
Oh my god, I knew.
Oh, that's why you had to wait so long, because the guy wasn't ready to go home yet.
Oh. Oh. Are you okay? Oh, buddy. Do you like him? Oh, yeah. He's all yours. Isn't he cute? So cute. It's cute, isn't he?
It is. Okay, it's from Mommy and Daddy. This is our Christmas present to you. Okay? What do you think it is? What is it?
Little girl is excited, and perhaps hundreds of ideas are swirling in her mind. But well, we always find joy in the unexpected, don't we?
You're welcome. You want me to open it?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah. You ready? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what's that?
Not everything can bring such a pure smile to a child's face. She truly deserves this wonderful surprise, and maybe even more.
What's your cat's name? Got a veil. It's got a veil. What do I call your cat? Chase. Ah, do you love it? You gonna cuddle? Aww.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, Stella. Stella. Merry Christmas.
Happy Thanksgiving, Shalene.
Guess what? You got two. We can't find the other cat. There's two of them.
There's a little white one around here somewhere.
What'd you do?
It's in here.
What is it? Dude, there's a cat in. This is for me?
Yeah.
They say we should listen sincerely if we want to touch someone's heart. Here, I offer you another option.
Oh my god.
Douglas doesn't know what to think.
That's it, dude.
Huh?
Oh my gosh.
Alright, so put your legs down.
Oh no.
This is the box. Yeah, this is the box. Okay. So you can open it.
No, it's okay. It's okay.
Look how cute she is. It's so cute. She's super cuddly.
I'm scared.
Okay.
What is it? Hands out or?
Yeah, hands out. Actually, no, take your blindfold.
I'm scared.
Take your blindfold off.
There are many signs that you've chosen the right person, and this is one of them.
Oh my god! You're joking. You're joking. Are you serious? This is mine?
Banana bread. Oh, bun banana bread. Oh, you're from your kitty. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. So this is from your kitty. Oh,
It's not my kitty.
your neighbor cat.
Adults might not say a word even when they're feeling lonely. So why not surprise them with a wonderful gift?
Merry Christmas.
My cat. Oh no.
I got you a kitty. This is Minnie. She's a little scared. So you gotta be really gentle with her because she's scared.
And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the next video.